Chess friends and chess lovers, welcome to Sarmilan Chess YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you three different drafts in all Indian debates. Also, I am going to give you a checkmate puzzle for you. That puzzle's answer, if you know the puzzle answer, please share your answer below the comment section. Now we can go to the rap number 1 in all Indian debates. Okay. Hello chess friends and chess lovers, this is rap number 1. White black resign in 8 moves only, how to white won the game in old Indian debates. Okay, let's go to the moves. First move is d4. Okay, first move is d4. This is called queen's pawn opening. Then knight f6, Indian debates. Then c4, Indian debates normal variation. Then d6, old Indian debates. Okay, this is called old Indian debates. Then third move of white knight go to c3, then black knight go to bd7, then white pawn go to e4. We will see how to white won the game, why black resign. Okay, in some moves black resign. Okay, let's go to the moves. Another move of g6, pawn go to g6, then f4, c5, d5, queen a5. Okay, now pin the knight, why the queen. Then beautiful move make white bishop go to d2. Now defend the knight, why the bishop. Then black knight go to b6. In one move black resign, because you can see now knight go to b5. In this match black resign, because the queen is wrapped. Now you can see how to wrap. This bishop attack this queen. This queen cannot go here because there is a queen. This queen cannot go there, there is a pawn. If this queen go there, we will see. If the queen go to there, then beautiful check and fork the wrap the queen. That's why this game is black resign, white won the game. If you can think like this, if come there, this is only way. If come here, then the queen cannot cut that queen. Okay, this queen cannot come cut this one because there is a fork and wrap the rook. Okay, we will see. If got then check, then key moves, then get the queen, then key get the queen, then knight wrap the rook. That's it. That's why black resigned this match, white won the game. Okay, let's go to the rap number 2 in old Indian debates. Hello chess friends and chess lovers, this is rap number 2 in old Indian debates. Let's go to the moves. First move is d4. This is called queen's pawn opening. Knight f6, Indian debates. Then c4, Indian debates normal variation. Then d6, this is called old Indian debates. Okay, this is called old Indian debates. In this match, white resign in 11 moves only, how to black won the game. I am going to explain and analyze deeply and smartly. Please watch until finish this video. If you enjoy this video, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Okay, if you want to more video, please go my YouTube channel playlist. Okay, you can see more video on playlist. Okay, let's go to the another move of white, knight c3. Okay, this is knight c3, then black turn, black pawn go to e5, then pawn take the pawn, then pawn take the pawn, then bishop come to g5. Now pin the knight by the bishop, then knight go to bd7. Now defend the knight by the knight, and knight f3, another white knight come outside, then c6. Okay, then knight e4. Okay, in this case knight take the knight. Okay, knight take the knight and bishop cross d8. Okay, you can think why you do like this black, because there is a beautiful attack in some moves. Okay, now bishop go to b4 and beautiful check. Now black the check with the knight d2, then bishop cross d2 and beautiful check, then queen cross d2. Okay, then knight cross d2. wrap the knight, wrap the queen. Okay, then king cross d2, then king cross d8. Totally this game, you can see the black has so many pieces: to rook, a knight, a bishop, and 7 pawns. But white has 2 rook, a bishop, no knight. That's why white resigned this match. Okay, let's go to the wrap number 3. Okay. Hello chess friends and chess lovers, this is wrap number 3 in old Indian defense. Let's go to the moves. d4, queen's pawn opening. Knight f6, Indian defense. c4, d6, old Indian defense. Knight c3, e5, e4, e take d4. Then queen take d4. Then g6, bishop g5. Okay, now pin the knight by the bishop. Then black bishop come to g7, defend the knight. Then e5, d cross e5. Then beautiful move make white take the black queen. Then king take the queen. Then white knight go to d5. Then black knight come to d7. Then rook d1. That's it. Now black resign. You will see why black resign. If king move like this, there's a poke, and if go there, there's a wrap the rook. That's why black resign. If go back, if he push the pawn to here, then wrap the knight. This knight cannot cut. We will see. This knight cannot cut this because there is a pin. There's a check with rook. That's why black knight cannot cut. If take with this, then wrap the rook and bishop. Then he moves and wrap the rook. That's it. That's why black resigned this match. Okay, we can go to the checkmate puzzles time. Okay, we can go to the checkmate puzzles. Hello chess friends and chess lovers, this is checkmate puzzles time. First move is white turn. In 3 moves, white won by checkmate. I am going to give you 30 seconds only. You need to find the right answer. If you know the answer, please share your answer below the comment section. If you don't know the answer, don't worry. After the 30 seconds, I am going to give you the right answer. Okay, let's go to the timer. Timer is running right now.
3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1.
Hello, chess friends and chess lovers. This is checkmate puzzles answer after the 30 seconds. Okay, let's go to the moves. First move is white turn. White rook go to g4. Okay, in 3 moves, white won by checkmate. Okay, then queen come to d6. Then white bishop go to f5 and we will check. Then king need to move. King go to h8. Then rook cross h6 and beautiful checkmate. That's it. This is checkmate puzzles answer. If you know the puzzle answer, you need to write down in the comment section. Okay, that's it today video. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Okay, thank you. Bye bye. God bless everyone. Thank you.